Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an updated version of a sock bun. A sock bun is kind of a throwback, so I'm sure when you hear that, this is what pops into your head. But using a sock bun form, this is the bun that we're going to do today. For our sock bun, we are going to use either one of these donut forms. So if you still have one of these, then you're gonna wanna dig that out. If you don't have this, then that is totally fine. It is called a sock bun because you can use a sock. I'm gonna show you how to use a sock, but when I do my hair, I'm going to be using the donut form that I just showed you. So you're gonna wanna take a longer sock, a tube sock like this one, and just cut off the end that is closed. And now you're just gonna take your sock and you're just gonna roll it down. So basically you're just forming the same donut form that I have, that I'm gonna be using for my hair. And that is perfect. For this hairstyle, we're going to use a bun form, one hair tie, 2 elastic bands, some bobby pins, hairpins, a teasing brush or comb, a hairbrush, a fine tooth comb, and some hairspray. Now we're gonna get started. Before I pull my hair back into a bun, I'm just picking up a few sections of my crown area and teasing my hair so that I have some volume. So I'm taking my teasing brush and pushing my hair down towards my roots. Now, using your hairbrush, gently smooth your hair back into a very low ponytail. And before you actually secure the ponytail, any hair that you want to hang loose around your face, make sure that you remove it before you secure it back. Once your hair is secured back, either using a rat tail comb or your fingers, you can pull a little bit more hair in your crown area up, and that will create more volume. Now it's time to place the sock or the bun form. So all you have to do is take your ponytail and pull it through the hole of the bun form. Then take 2 bobby pins and secure it through the bun form, and also make sure that the bobby pin is going through some of your hair so that it's really securing the form to your head. If you're using a sock, it's going to be a little bit trickier to get the bobby pins through the sock, but you still should be able to do it. Once your form is secure, evenly split your ponytail into 2 sections. Once your hair is split into those 2 sections, each of those sections is going to get split into 2 more sections, and you're going to create a twist. So on each side, you're going to twist the 2 sections going toward your face. When you get down to the bottom of the tail, just tie it off with an elastic band and then go to the other side and do the same exact thing. Now it's time to cover up your sock bun. I'm starting on my left side. I'm taking the twist that I had already created. I'm pulling it from my left side across the bun form onto my right side. I'm gonna pull it across the entire bun form going clockwise, and when I get down to the bottom, I'm just going to take a bobby pin and secure it. Before we do the same thing with our twist on the right side, we want to cover up some more of that bun form. So using our fingers, we're just gonna gently pull the twist apart a little bit, and we're gonna take our pins and just gently place them into the bun form with the hair that's covering it. Just continue pulling that twist apart as much as you need to cover up as much of the left side of the bun form as you can. And you can also use as many of the hairpins as you feel is necessary to secure it into place. And when you're all set, we're going to pull our right side twist across the bun form. So now I'm taking my twist on the right side and I'm moving it so it's going counterclockwise across the bun form. And same thing, when I get down to the bottom, I'm just going to use a couple of bobby pins to secure it, and any of the hair that needs to be used to cover the remainder of the bun form, I'm just going to secure into place using my hairpins. Now the bun is all set, so I'm going to just take care of any of those flyaway hairs with some hairspray and my fine tooth comb. I like to smooth my flyaways down with hairspray that I sprayed onto a fine tooth comb, and I just gently smooth over them. I like this better than just spraying the hairspray directly onto my head because I feel like I have more control of where the hair is going. So this updated version of a sock bun is now complete. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you found this tutorial to be helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up.